Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on the Sports Trading Cards 2000 channel. Today I will be opening the hobby box, not blaster, of the 2018 Topps Stadium Club MLS hobby box with 2 guaranteed autographs per box. So I'm pretty excited here. And how many? 16 packs, 8 cards per pack. That's pretty... It's going to be lots of cards, so I'm excited to open this. See what we can get in the 2018 Major League Soccer Stadium Club with 2 guaranteed autographs. But again, I just opened this with 1 guaranteed autograph. And the autograph, no autograph in there. So let's hope again. But those were pretty cool cards, actually. It's just that it had a guaranteed autograph or redemption card, and it didn't have either. So let's get these into piles. Sure hope these have the guaranteed 2 autographs in it, because then I'd be... But, so let's open the first pack, see what we can get. Pretty cool design. I'm not sure why they didn't do 2019 of these, but they didn't, so. Christian Roldan. Christian Teixeira. 2 Christians in a row there. Nemanja Nikolic. Jonathan Mensah. And we've already got an autograph, just like that. Keegan Rosenberry in our first pack. That's nice. So maybe they'll give us more than guaranteed, because that's first pack. I did not expect to get an autograph in the first pack there. So that's Keegan Rosenberry. Pretty nice autograph there. Joe Bendick. Albert Rusnak. And Chris Wondolowski. So that's surprising there. Nice. So here's the second pack. Mauro Manotas, Ethan Finlay, Tyler Adams, and here's a parallel, black and white parallel with Albert Rusnak, Michael Bradley, and Zlatan Ibrahimovic, Marco Reina, and DeMarcus Beasley. These are pretty nice cards, and surprised I got that autograph on so early on. Avis Powell, Vaco, Clint Irwin. Insert Special Forces, Juan Agudelo, Steve Birnbaum, Zach Steffen, Hector Villalba, Carlos Vela. One of my favorite players there. That's a nice card. So, fourth pack. Luis Robles, Diego Fagundes, Dominico Duro, Joao Moutinho, and Chris Wondolowski, black and white parallel, Sasha Kljestan, Joao Plata, and Jerso Fernandez. So next stack here. Kai Kamara, Justin Morrow, Bobby Shuttleworth, and here is profiles, Tim Howard. They continued the profiles inserts, apparently, because, as you can see, in the 2017 one, I got this one. It's also Tim Howard, but they just changed it a tiny bit. So here's Luis Solignac, Miguel Almiron, Dom Dwyer, and Keegan Rosenberry without an autograph. Benny Feilhaber, Maxi Oluti, Axel Schulberg, Bastian Schweinsteiger, Special Forces, and that is a Maxi Morales. Here's Nick Raimondo, Kiri Shelton, and Sebastian Giovinco. On to the next pack here. Guess there's no way to tell if you're going to get an autograph, so I can do a cool reveal. It's just like, boom. Jalil Anibaba, Josie Altidore, Clint Dempsey, and parallel, black and white, Joe Bendick, and profiles, Christian Ramirez, Jesus Medina, Andre Blake, and Abu Danladi. Next pack. Hoping for Alphonso Davies card in here, because they still had him on the Whitecaps in here. Now he's on Bayern Munich, of course. David Accam, Will Johnson, Jonathan Lewis. Profiles, Kyle Beckerman, Romel Kyoto, Mauro Diaz, Tim Howard, Jordan Morris. So we're halfway through. So here, let's open the next pack. Hopefully I don't get robbed an autograph again, but I doubt it, because that's gotta be super rare to get unlucky like that, like I just did in my last video. Nick Lima, Matt Beasler, Breck Shea. Oh my goodness, okay. So, this co-signers, 2 autographs and 1 card. Oh my goodness, I've had Kiri Shelton and Jerso Fernandez. That's amazing. I don't think I've ever got a dual autograph before. That's 17 of 20. Let's go. So that really redeems the last one, kind of. That's really good. Jahesi Zardes, Dax McCarty, Christian Ramirez, and Aurelian Collin. Yeah, okay, that's really good. I'm glad that happened. Lee Win, Ignacio Piatti, Romain Alessandrini, Federico Higuain, and parallel Tim Howard. What is he's like dancing? His black and white parallel there. CJ Sapong, Fernando Addy, and Andrew Tarbell. These are really nice cards. All the Stadium Club ones are really nice too. Josef Martinez, that's a nice card. One of my favorite players too. Luciano Acosta, Giovanni Dos Santos, Jackson Hamill, and Carlos Vela. Yeah, as I said before, one of my favorite players. That's an insert though. Really cool profiles. Tim Melia. And yes, I can add to my collection. I have a huge collection of Alphonso Davies cards. My favorite player. So, it's good. I'll actually set them aside. David Villa. And that's the end of that pack. So I'm glad I got the Alphonso Davies. Glad I got Carlos Vela. Glad I got Josef Martinez. Maxi Morales. Diego Chara. Graham Zuzi. Jordan Morris. Marco Donadel. Ola Kamara. Boniek Garcia. And Matt Hedges. So, on to the last stack, last 4 packs here of the hobby box. I've got Clint Irwin there, Luis Robles. I feel like I'm getting duplicates here now. Diego Fagundez, Dominic Odordo. And profiles here, Giovanni Dos Santos, Hector Villalba, another Carlos Vela. So, yeah, I'm definitely getting duplicates here. And Sasha Kleshkin. Joao Moutinho, Kellen Acosta, Dominic Badji, Mauro Diaz, black and white parallel. So that's, oh, and not our only insert, so members only. It's red insert there. It's not numbered apparently. Joao Plata, Jerso Fernandez got his autograph there. And Marlon Harrison. Last 2 packs. I'm really happy with this. Like the 2017 ones were there. Darlington Nagbe. Ian Harks. Paul Areola. Here is Lee Win profiles. Insert Hector Jimenez. Justin Merrim. Kyle Beckerman. and Stephen Fry. Okay, so last pack. Okay, here we go. Diego Rossi, that's a nice one. Evan Bush. Bradley Wright Phillips. Diego Valeri. Special Forces Benny Feilhaber is our insert. Jameer Haika. Juan Agudelo. And Alejandro Bedoya. That's all the cards. Wow, wow, wow. Those are really nice. I'm glad I got those. Here is Alphonso Davies card I got. Got a huge stack of base cards. Here's a hobby box. So here. Lots and lots of cards. Those are the base. And now for the inserts and parallels. There are lots of them. So we've got the members only Benny Feilhaber. And the rest of the parallels were black and whites. Mauro Diaz, Tim Howard, Joe Bendick, Chris Wondolowski, and Albert Rusnak. Now for the actual inserts. Oh, and I did not notice. Oh my gosh. No way. Oh my. Okay, sorry guys. That's insane. I did not even notice that. I'll wait till the end. One of the profiles I did not notice. Special Forces Benny Feilhaber. Special Forces Maxi Morales. Special Forces Juan Agudelo. Profiles. These are all profiles here. Tim Howard, Kyle Beckerman, Lee Win, Giovanni Dos Santos, and Carlos Vela. But the one I was just freaking out about is this one. Christian Ramirez. See, the side is different, just barely. And then I flipped it around. One of one. One of one. Let's go. Yes, only one of those exists. Thank you, thank you. Woo! One of one. That's amazing. And I was filming it too. I got another one of one, but that's before I started filming my pulls. So that's amazing. So here I've got my autographs here. We're pretty good too. Keegan Rosenborg opened it in the first pack. It's not numbered. It's a nice one. And then the other one also was co-signers, dual autograph, Kiri Shelton and Druso Fernandez. So that's amazing. That is also 17 of 20. So this actually was one of the best boxes I opened. Unlike the last one I did, it really redeemed everything. The one with the guaranteed autograph, where there was no autograph. But, oh my goodness, this is amazing. I get both autographs that were guaranteed, but one of them is dual. I also get a one of one card. Right there. Let's go. So, that's it. This was awesome. The 2018 Topps Stadium Club. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, hit the bell icon too. See you next time. Thank you for watching.